Hi there, good afternoon. There was a gap a bit of there. There is a, you can see, there's a two young girls. Just incident happened. A very young girl behind her. They were having a what, Somali dude. There was a two white girl, very young, very It's hot summer day today. Oh, sorry. Let me tell the first. Today is what date is today? 24th May 2026. Time is about 5 past 7 or 3 past 7. Yeah, here in Slough Job Center. Slough Job Center. Slough High Street. There's something behind actually came onto me. There is about the Pakistani man grooming English girl. Guess what? Which road is this one? Operation U-Tree Road. Malala Yousafzai, Oxford Street. Malala Yousafzai, Oxford Street. Yeah. Sherlock Holmes. No. The other one. Cambridge, Oxford University. Malala Yousafzai, 17. I had no idea where are my daughters now. They were even younger than that. Back in 2010, definitely 2008. We will talk about it. I just thought I'll make some small video about this is job center Slough. They say off U-Tree Road. How many people will lose their jobs? Fission reaction, fusion reaction, Iranian supremacy, Aryan supremacy, Jewish supremacy. And Donald Trump, where he came. Sir, steer car man. I was just gonna say Uncle Samoa, Auntie Samoa gone. I will explain why did I said Uncle Samoa. I've been to 13th April. I came back 1999 from Hawaii. That's another story. On holidays, I used to work for American Airlines. They gave me a free first class ticket as a staff once a year, man. Free one, free, complete free. Just few taxes. That's it. I think it was less than £80 at that time. First class, all the way. Heathrow to Boston, New York, not New York, New York to San Francisco, to then third flight was San Francisco to Honolulu, and all the way back also San Francisco to Boston. No, sorry, San Francisco to Honolulu to San Francisco to New York. This time New York, Yorkshire one. New Caledonia, Caledonia English. So just saying that's the U-Tree Road, Oxford Police, Thames Valley Police. Prince Andrew this time is arrested for embezzlement. Imagine if David Cameron were arrested. Gordon Brown uncle, we arrested, ripping apart British white. Don't want to say, because they are majority. They are not South African white, American cleaning, indigenous First Nation cleaners. Not that one, Australian, please. Tommy Robinson one. His career would have been gone completely. These girls were having an argument with a Somali. He was telling them off that guy with I will raise my daughter not like you. I felt bad actually. I felt these young girls like my daughter. Without father, single mom. I desperately wanted to live together. I thought just make small video. I'm here in Slough, so just by the job center. We will talk about how many jobs. I used to come here. They foreign. There was a lady there. Her name was Farhan, white lady, very lovely lady. Lot of people used to come. Then there was a Sikh guy, black, very dark skinned one. Asked me, show me your Pakistani passport. I said, told him it's expired long ago. Said, no, I want to see it. He had no authority. And outside there was a Maxis one, Khalsa with a Karpal license one. There's a dagger there. You have to take license from the government as a religious. They were on my side. It was quite humiliating officer. Indian man was very angry. We're gonna sort him out. We're gonna sort him out. We're gonna sort him out. We will talk about it. He asked me, show me your Pakistani passport. You are a Paki. Very dark skin one, Sikh, clean shaven one. Outside here, these doors, standing my side. Tanmanji Singh Desi, Osama bin Laden, Ajay Banga is in the World Bank now. How that miracles happen? Gabinath, Hispanic white is in India now. Iranian Aryai Samaj, Aryan Samaj. Hispanic white is in India, gonna resolve it. Why don't you talk about Pakistan now? Why don't you talk about Raja Rizwan Mushtaq? See what happened. See what happened then. There another Arabic and Pakistan Palestinian group another ongoing. Bad Netanyahu, bad Mohammed bin Salman, bad Putin. Putin is drawing nuclear capable missiles. Narendra Modi's career, you don't care about it, Pakistani chief of the army staff. Why don't you fucking say that? Oh, Donald Trump spit the shit out of my mouth. Say Raja Rizwan Mushtaq. Don't insult, humiliate British police. I'm not above the law. There is some they also, inshallah ta'ala, going to charge. They're gonna arrest their own officers. Inshallah ta'ala. What not following the British law? Humiliation. Once, I sat in Birmingham in my room, honest to God, swear to God. This is not for children. Thank you, YouTube. You giving so much, I don't know how to say, humanity's favor. That Russia was trying to trillions of dollar compensation asking for suing for which virtual court, Martian court. There is a reason there. Imagine if it's not, it's all over the world then. Watching that song, that travel videos, train accident today, blast happening in Pakistan train. What I did that, I've been to that train actually, to Quetta. Pakistani army trained by American Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, personally trained. How about other three brothers? Father was an ordinary JCO, middle ranking officer. That's it. Oh, we'll talk about it later on. Narendra Modi, Pakistani chief of the army in Iran. Make a crisis, then you need a Messiah crisis. You need a corona, there is a new vaccine. Congratulations, Ebola vaccine is on its way. I don't know why these viruses coming. Hindus in international waters, offshore companies, which the military junta, cult groups, military junta, cult groups. So I thought just make a small video, as you can see. I will try not to make too long, just to update, still alive. I hope it will go, people find out about the actual solar city renewable energy, what happened exactly 2010, how many people, immigration officer will lose their job. Alex Fratty, white one died, killed. Mexican gangsters, brown, they will get the job, don't worry about it. That the Colombian mafia, they will get a proper jobs now, inshallah ta'ala. You don't need a terrorist drug. Imagine if they stop producing cocaine. That's not gonna happen. You don't need a military complex. Heroes. Donald Trump, congratulations. There is a lot of cranes. There crane fall also on Makkah. Lot of cranes in the White House. Shooting happening. Olympus has fallen. My problem. As long as you don't have humiliating British police, they are lovely. Honest, for me, there is no country like that. I'm allowed to go to, if I don't want to go to mosque. Mosque, there is a things happening. Full mullahs and a turbocharge. I'm a bad Muslim, not a proper Muslim. Sunni, Sufi Parshad, Brelvi, Deobandi, Sunni, Shia. Yeah. If I go, if I don't go. For me, I don't need to, I don't need to need. I don't, that's again joining any gangster group, any, no. All I need to dial 99 for me, for police, for some Indian thugs are come. They want to listen. Indian thugs. These are coming close. Want to know that what I'm talking. Why don't you watch the movie? Why don't he's looking at me? Why don't you comment on my YouTube channel? You know that much about me. Don't you want to buy a $10 dollar book? Everything. Police not taking serious. I mean, police. You say that British police. Why don't you buy the Kindle book? Why don't you read it if you can't understand English? I cannot translate. There is a software there. Translate for you. They already watching live coverage. They have a big software AI. Air India crashing, artificial insemination, actual insemination, artificial fuck, AFPAC, Afghanistan. Allah's fuck, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah al-aliyyil azim. All fucked. I don't know what English is that. I think I'll start gathering. I should be enough or there. Maybe I'll make another one. I thought I came to Slough, so I should make a Slough. Yes, again. Bye bye, job center. Inshallah, they will need a job also in a different countries though. Somalia, Arab Spring, Sahara, Amazon, you name it. That much money, wealth is there. That city, solar city. Bye bye. Solar penal code. Solar panel, no? Solar panel. Solar penal code. Judicial, also known. Taking the law, that's a very serious matter, even threatening. In England, that's a British property, a British future. Ain't gonna speak English. Inshallah ta'ala, Islam, Allahu Akbar. Hijacked, Allahu Akbar, hijacked. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, hijacked. Hijacked. There is a verse there, the black and white, ISIL, chopping heads behind there is a flag. I used to have that statement when you recite that word, they say kalma, the sentence, not the to jail, the sentence, the other spelling one. I have to Google it. What's the proper sentence? Sentence. Yes, mean there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is messenger of Allah. That's it. Hijacked by ISIL. ISIS. They put a flag there. That's Tony Blair said. Hijacked. Hijacked English flag. Synonymous to racism. Swastika hijacked. Hindu swastika hijacked. Star of David hijacked. That's a La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. That's actually Saudi flag. All you need to green and white, black and white. It's not psychology control. Every time you pray, you say, I think every time I say, every time you pray, if you pray 5 times, that's over 2,000. I pray maybe 3,000 times. You have to say that. Allahu Akbar. Penal code, extrajudicial activities in England. Bye bye. Pina colada, pina colada.